Yo, Zain. Yo, beautiful day today, man. Beautiful day, beautiful car, beautiful project. Today we have this beautiful GTR in for Godzilla mode, bro. We have starting for this Decat Downpipes by Veleno Performance. The best part is the titanium Catback system. One hand, bro. One hand. Look at the welding, bro. What do you think? The tailpipes is 5-inch burn titanium. So after the customer runs in the car, bro, the titanium will change color lah, bro. And customer wants flame tune, special request, and we will update you guys after. Alright, ciao Zain. Hey yo. Zain. Today we have this beautiful 720S. Owner cakap nak lagi padu, it's still Catback, and he said he wants lagi padu, so we recommended titanium Catback. Titanium, look at the welding, bro. Cantik tak cantik? Nice, bro. Nice lah, but titanium best, bro. Titanium more crisp, lighter, bro. Crazy, bro. Titanium sounds better always, bro. Just like the M2C, bro. Titanium number 1. Okay guys, so video belum habis lagi, okay? So our members ada pergi dekat Auto Salon car yang berlangsung dekat Japan. Big footage yang menarik and best, and yeah, vibe Japan, vibe Auto Salon car yang sangat best. So yeah, and yang mana yang belum subscribe, korang boleh subscribe our YouTube. Okay, follow all our social media, okay? So yeah, korang boleh stay tuned and wait for the next content yang menarik, yang best. So see you guys. Ciao.